Church, our presiding bishop, muko na kazi. And I like the way you have put it. If the church is remembered by God, this country will be delivered. What shocks me is even as we sit here, sisi wanasiasa tumeanza kufanya mambo ya ajabu. Kuna pahali najua watu wamekuja wamenunuliwa vitambaa. I do not know the color of the headgear ya kina mama ya kanisa hii, lakini kanisa zingine we have the headgears, we have all those things. Na sasa hii nasikia kuna watu pahali wamebeba vitambaa eneo hili letu tu Mount Kenya, kwa sababu hapa ndio shida imekaa. Wamenunulia kanisa mzima so that the church can now go and look like they are members of a given women group and support them in whatever they are saying. Na waomba tafadhali kanisa tuchunge haya mambo. If the church cannot stand straight or firm, this country will have a problem. And I really like what the bishop has said. If the church is remembered in this country, we will be delivered kutoka zile shida tuko nazo.
First of all, he asked me to say a big thank you for your having invited him to attend this function. He did not take it for granted. He found it to be a very great honor that you remember him, you keep on keeping him in your mind. So he is very much with you, and he really support this growth that you as the bishop has brought to this region. Secondly, he asked me to bring his congratulations to the newest bishop with us here, and your madam, the referent. He asked me to congratulate you and remind you that the task, please you may sit, and remind you that the task that has now been conferred on you is a big task. Being a religious leader does not confine itself to kanisa peke yake. You are now not only a religious leader, but you are also a community leader in your own right. He also asked me that you continue praying for him as he continue serving this nation, and also internationally. He has been given a lot of assignments, and in those assignments, as you are aware, one of the greatest themes that he has been on, and which he told me to share with you, is the gospel of peace. The gospel of peace. Because most of the assignment that he has been given is to go and make peace where there is no peace in this world. So he asked me that I also pass the same message, the message of unity. He asked me also to pass it to you. For the church, he appreciates that this church is full of unity. And he asked that the whole community, the Kenyan community, remain and preserve the unity so that our country may continue to progress.